Oh, eat me, eat me, eat me.
But then, if you're a bread person, I think you will dig in.
And if you are not, please don't try. Coated with sesame seeds, and it can look a little gross, but this is pretty heavy. Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing great and taking good care of yourself. I welcome you all to another new video. Just to give you a background, we had a sleepover at our friend Bishu's place and we had a plan of together going to Tehri Bazaar, but it did not turn out the way we planned. If you can understand that it's morning 5:30 a.m. that we have started our journey, because that's the best time to reach there and have the food as fresh as possible. And taking cue from sleepovers, you may know that everything is done on that night apart from sleeping. And me and Sumit were the only one who managed to not sleep the entire night and make it to the today's breakfast. As you can see, we had reached there quite early and the market was still in the way of getting set up, and it was good for us because we had the time of exploring the nearby areas, and I have gathered some information which I wanted to share with you. Did you know that there are 400 Chinese Indian families living in only Mumbai's Chinatown? The population of Chinese people in Mumbai stood at 4,000 in 2015, and in 2013 it was around 2,000 Chinese Indians living in Kolkata. The most visible Chinese community in India is found in Kolkata, where there are two Chinatowns. The main Chinatown of Kolkata is located in Tangra, and an earlier Chinatown was established at this place, that is the Tehri Bazaar, is sometimes referred to as the Old Chinatown. The older generation of this community works as tannery owners, sauce manufacturers, shoe shop owners, restaurant and beauty parlor owners. The new generation have gone in large numbers in dentistry. Many of the shoe shops lining in Bentinck Street near Dharamtalla are owned and operated by these Chinese. After a fine winter morning stroll in the nearby places, we started to roam around the food counters and try to understand what all varieties were available and then decide what we should eat there.
गरम है मसाला वाला है 1 2 3 सही है सॉल्ट
इसके अंदर कुछ रहता है क्या? प्लेन
ये सॉसेज है चिकन है, ये pork है और
तो ये क्या है ये स्टीम बोलते हैं
ये wonton नहीं है, ये डम्पलिंग है, prawn dumpling.
So the first two things we tried were safe bets. One was a dumpling and one was a momo. The dumpling one was a prawn dumpling and the momo was a pork momo. Straightforward verdict on these were the dumplings were awesome, but the wrapping on the momos were too thick and the meat and the content was not that much, so we did not like that.
चिकन है
हाँ,
ग्रीन चिकन है कटलेट है
ये क्या कटलेट?
चिकन कटलेट है
चिकन कटलेट.
स्प्रिंग रोल है
Okay.
चिकन गोल कॉइन है
Chicken gold coin.
चिकन गोल क्रिस्पी चिकन है
Okay.
फ्राई मोमो है
हाँ.
साते है
Satay.
और
Sausage.
sausage है
Okay, thank you, Bhaiya. So we are now trapped in this rain. So all we can do is eat. And what are we having?
We are having a fried chicken dumpling.
How's it?
This has more chicken stuff in it,
Thankfully.
and it's super fried, so it's crispy.
Okay.
And sauce is a little tangy. I would much prefer to have it a little spicier.
And this we are having a green chicken fry.
This is green chicken. Yeah, it's coated with spinach.
ये हल्का गरम है, ये हवा बची है। ये पॉपकॉर्न, ये चिकन पाव।
पॉप का स्टफिंग अच्छा होगा ना? Rice bowl coated with sesame seeds, and it's a little sticky. And this is a sort of a sweet. Cheers.
चाइनीज लोग का ही खाना है। Rice ball।
समझ में आ रहा है. Very bland, chewy, and doesn't really live up to its hype.
It's not that bad. We have tasted bad things.
Aftertaste, the aftertaste of sweetness is there. I would agree, but then it can be a little more sweet. Just a little more sweet, and
But-
it will be worth it.
But the thing is that anyone can have it. Who wants to try it?
It isn't that bad, but will I try it again? No.
Okay. This looks heavy.
Oh, eat me, eat me, eat me. One would say that it's a little filling than the momos that you have. So if you're looking something of similar types and you're looking for, if you're a bread person,
I mean, I don't know what this.
I don't know who prefers this over a momo, but then if you're a bread person, I think you will dig in.
And if you are not, please don't try it.
I'm a morning bread person, I didn't like it.
आप पूछ लो क्या लेगा? आपको चाहिए भैया आप लोगों को?
They're like candies inside.
I mean, what is this? Is it sweet? Is it a normal breakfast dish? Is it sour? Is it spicy? It's nothing. It's like in the middle of everything. Yet it's nothing. I don't know what is this.
I don't feel like finishing it.
I am not having it anymore.
What to do with it? It's food.
I think our expressions were enough to explain that the only reason why we had it is because we did not wanted to throw it. फ्राई होता है. What is this?
This is pork meatball.
Hot from the pan.
Hot from the pan. Will be better if we have it right now, as ठंडे हो जाएंगे.
What, too spicy?
No, but very hot.
Okay. How does it taste?
I can't feel my upper lip right now. Yeah, it tastes good. Surprisingly, it tastes fishy. I don't know why.
I also got a smell of fish.
I don't know why. This is okay. This is like a clear soup.
Okay.
A little thicker than the consistency of a stock on a Sunday morning. Try it yourself.
So this is how it actually looks. I know it can look a little gross, but this is pretty heavy. And this is like fully stuffed. And for no reason at all, finally it started raining and we were all half drenched. So we thought of ending the trip with another pair of meatballs, and we tried the fish version this time. I won't say these were as good as compared to the meatballs that we had, but it was okay for us to save us from the rain and give us a little heat to our body. So this was our entire trip to Tehri Bazaar and tasting the various types of food that we had there. I hope you liked the entire experience. Shout out to my buddy Sumit for being so supportive all the time. And Bishu, we missed you. Momita, we missed you on this trip. And we will keep on making more videos and letting you know what to eat and especially what not to eat. So keep supporting us the way you have been. And thank you once again for watching the video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.